A function f is defined from r square to r by this formula f of xy equal to xy. Let v equal to 1 2 and a is a1 comma a2 be two elements of r square. The directional derivative of f in the direction of v at the point a is, means we have to find directional derivative in a vector in the direction of v at the point a, and this information can be represented by this compact form. At the point a, this is directional derivative in the direction of v at the point a. Normally we represent directional derivative by this formula or mathematical expression. Now, first understand what is the meaning of directional derivative. Meaning of directional derivative means it is the fast way to check function is differentiable or not. Suppose we are going, this is a domain, and we are going to check at where function is differentiable or not. So at the point we have to check all these point. But if anyhow by Euclid geometry we can draw a line from a specific point, and at a point, at a certain point we have infinitely many line that can pass through them. So if from, suppose this is a point and we pass many lines from these points, then this is the way of, this is fastest way to check directional derivative. Means derivative, if directional derivative is exist in direction, that means we are covering more points of the domain. So this is the fastest way to check if function is differentiable or not. And you can understand what is the application of directional derivative here. Now, to check directional derivative, we simply find gradient of function and take dot product in the direction vector as here v, and find the, put the value of the point e. This will give you directional derivative. As function f of xy is given by xy, so partial derivative, because we need to check gradient of function, so partial derivative we will need, this will be y and fy is x. Now del f can be written as partial f with respect to x I hat plus partial f with respect to y j hat, because function is in two dimension, domain is two dimension, so only ij we use. If it is higher dimensional we can use many. Now take dot product, so gradient f with vector v, or you can put value of fx here and fy from above one. Now use this one, it can be written as fx is y I hat plus x j hat. Now with dot product with unit vector v, as unit vector v is given by 1 2, so this can be x plus value of, so this is y plus, and value of y is 2, so 2x. Now at the point a, and a is by a1 a2, constituents of a are a1 a2, so this is the value of y and this is the value of x, so this one equal to a2 plus 2 times a1. Now which one option is giving this value a2 plus 2 times a1 in option b, so option b is right here. Keep remember, if at a point directional derivative, all directional derivative is exist there, then it doesn't mean function is continuous there. Keep remember, at that point all directional derivative is existing there, but function is not differentiable, not continuous there. So you will come across many examples where directional derivative exist, all directional derivative exist everywhere at that point, but function is not continuous.